Hey y'all, welcome back to the show. Okay, with the holidays right around the corner, we here at YOLO Texas took it upon ourselves to seek out some of the best gifts that'll make your loved ones feel extra special. And today we're stopping by a jewelry factory that's not only known across the nation, but it's all made right here in the great state of Texas. So join us for a trip to Kerrville and see how the jewels and charms of James Avery are uniquely made. We are here at one of my favorite jewelry retailers, James Avery, in the heart of the Texas Hill Country. From everything from sterling silver jewelry to fine jewelry, I'm sure you would love and cherish something made by these unique artists out of Kerrville, Texas.
Over 66 years ago, my granddad, with a little bit of money, and we always say very humble beginnings, started in a two-car garage. And from there, we got a really loyal customer base. Where you're at is on our Kerrville campus. We have a beautiful visitor center that we did a few years ago, really as an honor to his legacy, but also to give our customers a behind-the-scenes view of manufacturing, because that's such an exciting part of what we do. They don't get to go into the manufacturing plants, but we wanted to bring a little bit of that to them here.
Okay.
So we have a big section of our visitor center really dedicated, and I think our campus is so beautiful. A lot of times we'll see people, really just hanging out. They enjoy the gazebo, walking around, enjoying the deer, and a little bit of hill country.
And y'all have 98 stores, but y'all are expanding because y'all are in Dillard's and y'all have other stores in other states, correct?
Yes, we feel really fortunate that we've been able to grow. We have such a huge presence in Texas. Now we're in over 220 Dillard stores. We're also partnered now with the Army, Air Force, and Exchange program. So we have 2 locations with them, and we're also in 2 airport stores. So sometimes when you travel, you may see us as well.
And y'all are doing something really amazing for customers this year for the holidays.
Yes, we always want to make shopping easy and a way to personalize gifts, but we're really excited in November. We have a new shop by appointment offering, and we think our customers are really going to love it.
James Avery is about meaning and connection with all the pieces that y'all create. And I'm super fortunate that my parents got me a charm bracelet
I love it.
From y'all, and we have decked it out with anything that happens in my life. I've got a charm for it. I can't thank you enough for doing that.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate you too.
Well, these are some of our newest releases that we just recently have in for the holidays.
I know this is for us. It's so beautiful. It has YOLO written in there, and it's got some perfect Texas treasures on there.
Let's try it on and see how that fits here. It's a wonderful way to tell your story.
Beautiful.
So I have several other things if you want to try a few items on.
Absolutely, and that's what I'm here for.
This is the Kirsch Birthstone collection. Yeah, and a matching ring to go with it.
How beautiful is that?
Wonderful. So pretty on you.
So gorgeous. My Christmas list just keeps growing and growing and growing. These 2, those 2 necklaces. Oh, so beautiful. I'm in La La Land. I just love Christmas, so naturally I'm drawn to this section, right? Try to drive me away. One of everything.
Our newest releases are all these charms here.
Perfect. Well, I can tell you right now, I want 2 Santas, and you know what? I'm just gonna go with Mom's favorite because I'm Mom's favorite.
Oh,
I just know I am.
Oh, awesome.
All right.
So this is where all the magic happens. We pack out all the online orders here. We can do up to 15,000 orders a day in our new facility.
It's crazy to think that when you go online and you order, that this is where it passes through everybody's hands here and then it ends up at your door.
It does, and we treat each package as if we were sending one to our friend or family. And so we put a lot of pride and care into every package that we pack. So we have orders that release throughout the day, and we pick them and then we bring them down here for packaging. We ship mostly in Texas, but we do ship to APOs in any other state. 2-day shipping is free. So usually the Friday after Thanksgiving, we see the volume kick up, and we work every day from that day until Christmas Eve. So we package out and ship every day from the day after Thanksgiving till Christmas Eve.
Whatever jewelry you're looking for any special occasion, nothing beats the craftsmanship of James Avery. I'm gonna go home and enjoy my gifts. I'll see y'all later. To purchase a handcrafted gift made right here in Texas, visit jamesavery.com.